No, it's like...
Babes, I get a tax return, so for the supermarket. Yeah, never say smoke without fire. But all we need for the supermarket. That's alright, babes. That's okay. We're coming from nothing, so if you have a little extra money right now, there's nothing wrong if you want to buy whatever you want to buy.
Yeah, maybe stop my supermarket.
Yeah. You want to go this evening, or can you manage?
I don't know.
I don't think I can manage. I'm all tapped out. Yeah. I'm recovering. Remember, guys, if you guys have any home remedy to beat this cold or sinus.
It's sinus issues we have. We don't have a cold. We don't have a cold.
Sinus, this smoke and stuff.
The thing about it that affect you both of you at the same time.
Yeah, because we're connected, babes. Siamese. Siamese. What's that, no?
No, we're not Siamese.
We are what then? We're joined together.
My kitchen is a mess.
We're joined together by the hip. By the hip, by the everything we joined together. You disagree?
No.
So yeah, I can go and like.
Need garbage bags.
Yeah? You have any more garbage bags?
No, I'm not gonna big white one then. Clean up.
So babes, talk to me a little bit about school. I know that you're excited to start, and you know the journey and stuff like that. But did you see yourself going to college?
Yeah, I've always seen myself going to college from age 17.
From age 17.
Yeah, my plan was to go to what call the place in St. Elizabeth. So guys, I wanted to do agriculture, something in agriculture. And I wanted to go to Sydney Pagan Agricultural High School in St. Elizabeth and then move on to Case. It didn't work out that way.
Didn't work out at all. And plus, if you go there, so you wouldn't meet me.
I wouldn't meet you.
The best thing about me in a real life. I have to be careful what I say. I'm not about to try to get put out.
Yeah.
Come on, babes. Come on. I pretend like meeting me wasn't the best thing happening in my life.
Yeah.
So I can go and like.
I can't say that. It changed a lot of stuff.
It changed a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
Like what? Swallow up my head, swallow up my head.
I'm not swallow up my head right now. I can't swallow my head swallow up right now. With pain.
Yeah. Like honestly, like everything work out for a reason, babes. Yeah. Like if everything like what you had in mind, like to go to that agricultural school in St. Elizabeth, all of that after high school. If all of that had worked out, you wouldn't end up in my community. We wouldn't get to meet each other.
There's a reason, because at first I was supposed to go and it didn't work out, and then the chance come again for me to go and it still didn't work out. So
yeah, and then it'll probably end up with some substandard dumps.
Maybe.
Yeah, understand.
We wouldn't know. We're not gonna know.
The what ifs.
The what ifs.
Yeah, that's what it is. The what ifs. But everything work out just as it should, and yeah, you don't know. You're here now. You're going back to school. A lot of persons might think that it's only a certificate program or 1 year program, but guys, at the end of the day,
it's a 3-day program, you don't have to see over here.
Exactly.
If it was a 3-day program.
Exactly. The bottom line is, guys, everybody's journey is different, and knowing where Natsy's coming from to where she is right now, we have to celebrate. You understand? Because it doesn't matter how slow you go as long as you don't stop. That's what it is, right? So let's go shell long that.
Shellings.
NWP. Who?
The wolves.
Who? Yeah. So I know Nats did a video the other day, guys, where she was saying that she's not sure if she is gonna be doing it remote or in person. We have came to the decision that she's gonna go in person, so she can get that college experience. But I got college can find a man now.
Past that stage already. No, man.
I mean, I come to college every other week. Come check up.
You.
Come check up with the teacher. Them come find out what I'm going in class.
I believe you.
I'm tell her that.
I believe you.
Back at my school, can say, yo, what should I go on with? Progress report and everything.
I hear you.
What?
I hear you.
Because we're not doing this to feel, you know, babes.
No feeling nothing of this.
No, not all.
No feeling nothing of this.
Guys, it's not where you start, you know. And again, we can say that unequivocally that it's not where you start, but it's a goal of where you want to be, and keep working at it. You might not get there immediately, you know, guys, because to get to your goal, there's a middle part, and that's the journey. You understand? So just keep working at it, one day at a time, one step at a time. Keep going towards that journey. You understand? Small steps, baby steps.
And time is the biggest factor. You might see everybody around you excelling, and you're wondering why you aren't moving, basically, or excelling. Your time will come, and you'll be surprised that, oh my God, the timing is so right. This is now the time that I'm supposed to excel. Everything will connect.
That's it. Everybody's timing is different, right? Don't judge your life based on somebody else's life. We all been through different things. We all come from different background.
You don't drink the same Kool-Aid.
No, we don't drink the same Kool-Aid. So sometimes you have to just start. You understand? Just take it one step at a time. And work towards what you want to go, achieve. That's what it is. But babes, I'm really proud of you. I know I told you this off camera, but let me just tell it on camera. I'm really proud of you to know that the amount of challenges that you have faced in your life, growing up with limited resources, you know, the amount of setbacks as well that you have faced. And you keep rising over them, right? To now find yourself in a stable position, get your tax return, so you don't know you can buy them something for your birthday. And yeah, just keep pushing, right? That's what it is. Just keep pushing, and yeah, you know you have my support.
Yeah, I do.
You understand? Having my support don't mean I'm gonna do your assignment and fail doing it. I can just see that coming.
Yeah, why you think you're here?
I can just see that coming.
Well, you're not going to be in any classes. You're like, oh, I was in class with you for most of your online classes.
No comment.
So at least make your assignment.
No comment.
Be a part of it.
Yeah, that was COVID. There's no more COVID, thankfully. Well, I don't know. COVID seemed like it disappeared. And hopefully there's nothing else in the future, because you got to get that college experience.
Yeah.
But I want to see you graduate. I want to see you
walking across that stage.
I want to see you walk across that stage, because I didn't get to do it.
Yeah, I want to do it. I have you guys down in the audience.
Yeah, I'm a COVID graduate. My graduation was on YouTube. So at least one of us will get to graduate. And yeah, you don't know, so my voice will be the loudest.
Yay!
You understand? You ain't going to put me out. Because my teller, my shell it down, man.
You know.
You understand? I can just see that day.
I've envisioned that day like numerous of times. So.
Numerous of times?
Yeah, so I've seen it.
What's
I'd like you to see it.
What's the school fee?
You know, some need to go back.
You need to go back?
Go back on my portal thing and check it out.
Yeah, so I know that
7,000 something.
Estimated 7,500. But that's just because Nats is now a domestic student.
But certain things will be coming off because insurance.
No insurance and stuff. But as an international student, Nats would have to pay close to $16,000 for the same program. For the same program, but because she's now a domestic student, it's like 7,000 something, which was a choice we had made back then, to say that when we become PR, Nat will go back to school. So promise made, promise kept. Right? That's what it is, babes.
Yeah.
Goals.
Yeah, set goals and work towards them.
Hey, you know what? We don't always get to do these kind of videos where we just sit and reason with you guys in just an unplanned natural environment, natural state. So we're always talking, always reasoning, and one of the things that we always constantly reason about, guys, is just where we are in our life right now. We did not see ourselves being here, at least this quick. Just 4 years ago, guys, we were in Jamaica, as you guys know. We made the decision to move to Canada probably a couple months prior. Started working towards it. We didn't even know where the first dollar is coming from. No joke, guys. We were struggling in terms of Nats was working a minimum wage job. I had a middle class job. We had an autistic child. Not many resources in Jamaica, and yeah, we just made the decision that, you know what, we're gonna try, and we just kept trying, and that's what it is, guys. And even to where we are right now, it's just constant effort and just keep trying, and then, you know, the more we try, the more things work out. But if you don't jump, you don't know if you can fly, right? So that's what it is. We made a decision to jump, and that decision has paid off drastically, and it is still paying off. The simple things, because we're not fussy. Just to be able to go into the store and buy our kids shoes, or just buy whatever they need, or, you know, this morning we were so sick, we went for breakfast. You know, like, just being able to afford to do those stuff from where we're coming from, that's a win for us. Right? Now, we might not be able to have the big milestone like a lot of you guys as yet, but it's coming. Right? So we celebrate the small things, because the small things add up to the big things, right? Now, I remember, like, a couple of years ago in Jamaica, we were not even able to do a lot of things that we're able to do right now, right? So we have to celebrate the small victories, and we just share our story so that we can motivate you guys, so you guys can know that it's possible for you guys as well. Now, people always ask us if moving to Canada is worth it. Yes, guys, it's worth it for us. It's worth it 100% for us, right? We can't speak on your behalf, but on our behalf, it's definitely worth it. There's no perfect society. As you guys can hear, my voice is almost non-existent because we're sick, and that's mostly caused by the wildfires. But you give something to get something. That's what it is, right? You give and take. There's no perfect society. I mean, our kids growing up in this society, they're going to be exposed to a lot of things that they're not going to typically be exposed to if they were in Jamaica. Drugs is very easily accessible here. A lot of kids, when they come here young, they fall victim to drugs. Of course, the numerous gender identity things that's present. You know, just a number of different things that we wouldn't necessarily have to deal with in Jamaica. But at the end of the day, guys, just be able to provide a better life for your family and have a decent quality of life is what it's all about, right? Look at that's glowing on the camera.
I'm glowing.
You're glowing, man. I'm pregnant, no babes.
That bother him, thought them sitting there. Don't target. I see me sick. How can I glow your talk about?
So yeah, glow, man.
No, I'm happy. I think it is just showing now. I'm like really relaxed. I'm not fussy or have any stress on me right now. I think that's what's coming out.
That's what's coming out?
I'm nothing stressing about. Nothing at all.
Not even me? You tell me something stressed you out over there.
When me tell you that?
I don't know, but it sounds like something else over there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not stressed. Any problem you have, me just put it down. Just take it and put it down and just walk here. Not stress about nothing. Not stress over my kids, not stress over you. Nothing.
You're not stressed over me?
I'm not stressed over you, man.
I don't know, I say a whole lot of people on social media get catch right now.
Oh, you think that? Yeah. I'm not stressing over nothing. Not one thing I'm stressing myself over.
Oh, so I'm playing your babes.
Oh gosh.
And a glass.
Or you just... How did I eat, by the way?
I was eating bulla. Oh. Bulla and butter. So I could have taken those pills.
I'm gonna take mine as it, you know?
Yeah. So, Wesley, babes, like, you're so happy right now.
I'm like light. I'm like nothing. Everything that was bothering me in terms of family and nothing. I'm light as a feather.
Light as a feather.
Light. There's nothing bothering me right now. Nothing at all. So that's why you see me glowing.
Yeah.
I stopped stressing over stuff that I don't have control over.
Yeah, and you know what I wanted to also say, and this is actually true for a lot of persons, right? Now, a lot of persons migrate to Canada, right? There's quite a few persons who migrate to Grand Prairie as well. I was talking to somebody the other day, and you know, just kind of trying to give them some guidance on their journey. They're here and they're, you know, planning to get their PR and stuff like that. And I'm sharing how we did it in terms of what we did. And the person is pretty much saying that they wanted to try a different route, which is fine. But what the thing is, I think that person was looking at is where we are at right now. They're looking at us right now in terms of having a senior position in a bank, that's have a stable job, having a business, being PR, and stuff like that. But that's not where we started, guys. It's like, and people tend to forget that, you know, because people see where you are right now, but they don't remember or they don't see where you're coming from, right? And we're not gonna ever forget where we're coming from, guys, and we're not gonna ever allow the audience to put us on a pedestal and make it seem like we have made it. No, we have not, right? No, we are coming from the bottom, guys. Why? we're coming from nothing, like absolutely nothing. And we share our story so many times, but we can't stop sharing it, because the moment we stop sharing it is when we're gonna start becoming probably too proud or too conceited. But at the end of the day, guys, we're coming from being down to only 50 Jamaican dollars in Jamaica. I remember when there are days in Jamaica when Nas was unemployed, I was unemployed, we couldn't even find food. Good thing we never have any children at that time, right? We had $150 and we had to hunt and just get some callaloo or something. That's where we're coming from. We are coming from, even persons in our circle, low key, you know, when I say chat behind the back and stuff like that,
we
like
get chat, them chat, talk it about, them
right?
chat with,
and stuff like that, like
we didn't mind.
Legit, we never have the most expensive phone, we never really, because we have
we
always
have
been
expensive clothes, we have nothing,
because we have always been low key, right? And then coming to Canada and that's had to do a janitor work, housekeeping work, cleaning tiles. I had to deliver pizza. I tell people all the time that, yeah, you see us now, but I had to be delivering pizza. I was the pizza guy. I was the pizza guy, guys, and a lot of persons who are even here used to be very condescending towards me, the fact that I was delivering pizza. But at the end of the day, you have to start somewhere, right? So we just did what we had to do. I will remain focused. I will just build. And the most important thing, I think, the reason why we were able to accomplish so much in such short space of time is because we are most times on the same page. Right? Nats never had to convince me to do something, and I didn't really have to convince Nats to do something. We just know that, yo,
this needs to be done.
It needs to be done, and we're on this journey together and stuff. There are so many times, like, I was working at the pizza shop, like, I washed so many dishes and stuff that my finger wet like chalk. Nats can tell you.
Amount of pizza made for dinner.
Exactly.
Pizza, because it was discounted, so we couldn't get it.
You understand? Guys, we never get no handouts. We never get any handouts, guys. We had to push and fight and, you know, work towards it, guys. So we are saying, we always say it. If we can do it, guys, you can do it too. But it all comes down back to the mindset.
I know we are got out, you know. Upon that. I know we are got out in a beers. And now we are sitting I eat breakfast and I got the
I like the way I go, babes.
No, like when we just got here, thinking about, no, we are going from Jamaica. Remember, every weekend we're on the road. And,
yeah.
But coming here, we didn't something there. We couldn't sit down, nice restaurant, eat, dress up, the whole works and nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
Pizza for days.
Pizza for days.
Pizza for days, pizza, and it was, and we didn't fuss.
No.
We did not fuss.
When I look in the kitchen, a boxes of pizza box stack up and pile up. I would never fuss, guys.
And now we're going out, so persons might see us going to restaurants and doing this and doing that. It's just no. It's not. No, me I live good life.
Guys, it was a process. We had to sacrifice a lot back then to get to where we're at right now. But the thing that I think worked in our advantage is timing. We always seems to have the perfect timing when it comes down to not only our immigration journey, but in making life decisions. We always seem to make the right decision at the perfect time. And that's been our biggest strength, right? And we don't really procrastinate a lot when it comes on to the tough planning and stuff that was going to benefit us in the future. We just normally jump at it and get it done. And that's always been our advantage, right? So if you're here in Canada and you are an international student or a temporary worker, don't procrastinate. Don't wait until your permit is almost expired. Then you're gonna start looking at ways that you can become a permanent resident.
You should have done that.
There are ways.
At the reach, like first thing you're looking for.
Yeah, get your English test done. That's very important. That lasts for 2 years. Get a medical done. Get a medical done. That lasts for 1 year. I want babes.
Let me now. It's just let me stop. I'm clean. I'm more stuff.
More stuff. Man, yeah, get your medical done because you're gonna need a medical to become PR, and get your English test done because that lasts for 2 years, right? So that when the opportunity comes, so that when the opportunity comes, you're prepared, right? Each province have their own immigration programs that you can look into. We are in Alberta. Apart from the wildfires, it's usually a good place to live. And there's a number of programs that give PR opportunities, right? A lot more than you guys know, right? So just check it out, guys. Check it out. Of course, thank you guys for the support. We can't stop saying that enough. There's almost 5,500 of you guys here now. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel, for liking the videos, for commenting on the videos. We know the persons who are always here. Thank you guys so much. I know you could have been somewhere else, but you guys choose to spend a couple of minutes with us and being a part of our family. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for all the persons who have been supporting our business as well. Scheduling times in our calendar, booking us for LOE, career coaching, settlement services. Thank you guys for considering us to make your journey a little bit easier. We really appreciate it. I know, guys, that you have a lot of options, but you guys choose to, support us. So we really appreciate that, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, click on the link in the description. It takes you to our calendar page, and we can definitely provide some service that can be beneficial on your immigration journey. We're no consultants, affiliates, none of the above, but everything that we do is based on our own experience and experience of friends and family members as well. One more thing, my birthday is coming up. So I'm gonna be creating a birthday wish list. Guys. My birthday is in another 2 or 3 weeks. So if you guys feel like blessing me, you can check out the birthday wish list that's coming very soon. All right, guys. One last word before we go, babes.
What is that?
One last word before we go.
What should I say to you guys now? Just thank you guys for love and support. Yeah, thank you guys. I'm not sure what I'm saying. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for everything. For those who have messaged and don't get any reply, just bear with us a little. Just bear with us a little. There's a lot. There's a lot on our plate, and we're trying to get to all the messages. And have you guys a lovely day.
And you're not pregnant?
No.
I'm just confirming because you're glowing like crazy.
I'm glowing?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Don't do it.
Let me go check.
No, you're good, miss. Later. Have a good day, guys. Thank you guys for watching.